Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm in Playa de las Americas on the sunny island of Tenerife, and it's almost golden hour, the best time of the day. We're starting this vlog from the Promenade, just above Playa El Camison, and I'm taking you with me for a sunset stroll. Before we dive into the full walk, I'm heading down to the beach for a quick minute. It looks too good not to. What a cool atmosphere this guy creates playing guitar like that in the background. Okay, we went down to the beach. The sand is still warm from the sun and the waves are coming in nice and slow. Look at the sky, everything's glowing in gold and orange. People are chilling, a few kids are playing in the water. It's one of those perfect little moments. Okay, beach break over. Let's get back on the promenade and keep moving. This walk stretches all along the coast with cafes, palm trees and the ocean right beside you. Here is the entrance to the Cleopatra Palace Hotel, which look how close it's to the beach. Yeah. That guy probably have a card to open the gate. Look how nice and calm water is here. And have a look over there far in the distance to see those big waves. We will get there in a minute. A lovely walk. Here on the right it's Parque Santiago 3, a huge 3-star complex right next to the beach. Now we have reached a slightly wilder area with a fairly rocky entrance to the water. I see that this section is used by surfers. I don't know if you can see those surfers in the water in the distance. I'll try to get as close as I can. Yeah. Here it's a rocky area of entry into the water. Here I will stop. How far I can go. I think, I'm not sure, that island over there, it's La Gomera. I'm not sure. But I have a look on the Google Maps and that's the closest island to the Tenerife. As we move along, you'll notice how the energy changes, the light softness, people slow down and the whole place feels like it's getting ready to exhale. Evening in Tenerife hits different. Here we have a viewpoint and a place where a surfer changes his equipment. And here we have a nice restaurant, and it's one of the entrances to Parque Santiago 3, which is a complex of apartments that offers you the services of a resort. Salt pools, freshwater, water park for small children, heated pool, wellness, gym, adults only area, shopping center and restaurants. The apartment complex is on the Golden Mile, surrounded by gardens and native vegetation next to El Camison beach. Here you can see an interesting statue with a lush vegetation, and in the back you can see Parque Santiago 4.